Richard Proctor in the house.
You don't have First Amendment right.
Quiet.
Well, maybe it is, based on what these idiots say.
We have a celebrity in the chat. Russell Pickron, how you doing, bud?
He can always lose weight. He can, but he doesn't.
GT's going hot with an updated story on the Grantville, Georgia lawsuit. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe to include smashing that notification bell. What if you demanded accountability and transparency from your government officials, it only to be met with this?
Quiet. I mean it.
Hey, let me get something square with you now. I'm tired of you disrespecting this bear.
Bond is what I'm gonna
Sir, you're not gonna hit me.
Misdemeanor fucking bond.
You have fucking will because I'm nobody.
Speak to my wife.
Tell the fucking camera.
I'm gonna take
You
the
can shoot
goddamn
get your
beard off
fucking
your
ass beat.
motherfucking face.
Okay, do me a
Back
favor,
the fuck up, you fat scared little bitch.
That you can't be filming on sidewalks and out here like that, and actually no video recording without permission in the city of Grantville, section 35-158.
Care of that for you is
Taking care of what?
taking down the monetization.
Oh, okay, good for you, man.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
You stated on a Q&A that you will violate people's rights.
I will take
You sure will, exactly.
people off Facebook that put
You know, although I've shut off all my Facebook, when I post something as the mayor, I don't allow comments. And of course, he and his buddy, I'm not going to mention his name, or that's a First Amendment violation. What? So you can go post your garbage on a Facebook page? That's all it is harassment. And they call them garbage, and they call them this, and then they want to get a open records request and put their salary and whatever they are up on their channels. You know, that's just disgusting. It's disgusting. Whether it's their stupid open records requests or they're calling public workers names, that's not the First Amendment.
Absolutely not.
Thomas Jefferson had no concept of this would be the First Amendment. He would be saying, hey, I'm all for it. Write a beautiful letter, write a beautiful this. And of course, you know, in our world today with the uneducated, the stupid, you know, I'll just say it, dadgum, our world of social media has created a world of idiots.
Yes.
A world of idiots. You know, I believe in addressing things. I believe in addressing real problems, but be intelligent about it. Put it out there intelligently. These idiots that you have on your front of your channels, the Afro Kid, Georgia Transparency, the Chrissy and all, they're morons. The drug, I can't even describe them. They're so stupid. I'm done.
You're good, brother.
Yeah, I would agree with Mayor Proctor because I think
I need to run for mayor. I need to work on help this place, to help it grow, to bring all of my experience, all my drive, all my zeal to this place to make it a renaissance.
$2 says maybe invite Chief Tuttle. He don't mince words.
He don't mince
Absolutely,
words.
Chief Tuttle.
I don't like Protestants. I don't like Arabs. I don't like Muslims. I don't like Hamas. I don't like the Palestinians. I don't like the Iranians. I don't like the Lebanese. People call me a white supremacist. They call me a racist. Fine. I'm good with that. I am Irish Catholic. I can't get any whiter than that. Let's find out where this monkey is.
yeah, I would agree with Mayor Proctor because I think when the forefathers wrote the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights, they had a sense of decorum.
Quiet. I mean it.
I need to run for mayor.
Because I think when the forefathers wrote the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights, they had a sense of decorum. And they had a sense of professionalism. And when you did redress your government, you did it properly. And you put forth your views. They would put forth their views. Everybody would vote on it. And they would either pass it or they would, come back to it later, rewrite it.
On up to
Red, y'all please break it up. Please break it up.
Is Red going to hit him?
I don't have to do anything.
How's he going to hit people?
Do you see who's shaking?
And he just called me violent.
Please.
And he just stepped in his face.
Who's shaking and who
You're as bad as
ain't?
the mayor.
What have I done?
Nothing. That's the problem.
What is he supposed to do? Violate other people's rights to make you
He's a
happy?
law enforcement.
He's supposed to
enforce the law.
violate people's rights to make you happy.
I do.
He's supposed to violate people's rights to make you happy.
Oh, I'm glad you said that, Mr. Whitlock. So you support the citation that was given to me for filming in public here that got dismissed?
It wasn't prosecuted, no sir, was it?
So, but do you support them writing it to me?
I wasn't here when it happened, sir.
No, but do you support them doing it?
I don't second guess people for doing their job.
Okay.
You watch Lana or freaking Transparency. I'm the press. And they'll go, show me your badge for your freedom of press. See, again, this is the stupidity they don't understand. Within the First Amendment, just like the Second Amendment, I'll get to that in a minute, there are commas and expressions. The press, being the press, is an actual job.
Yes, it's a professional job title.
It's a profession.
Now,
with
correct me if I'm wrong.
credentials.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but is there not a thing associated with being the press that's called there's also the fact that you have to have credentials and you have to have a business license to be the press.
I need to run for mayor.
Now, Wrangler, I gotta say this up front because Clarence has put another video up about me about 30 minutes ago, and of course he pulled the last one I had with you up and put another video up. So, Clarence, you're watching. Here's another opportunity for you to put the mayor. And did you know I'm now his number? I get more views than anybody he has.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm in his head. And
Done that, Mayor Proctor. I get that.
Did you? I put something on there, and I think you took it down. But I went on. I have a Teespring site where I had all my, and I have a picture of me, Mayor Proctor, frauded or killer, T-shirt, and I posted it on his pages about 200 times just to aggravate the heck out of him. and I'll tell you, I'm certain we have a council meeting on Monday. He'll probably show up. I'm not going to allow him to speak.
I need to run for mayor.
And that'll show up right there. What I just said will show up on one of his videos right there. And no, I'm not going to. And because he has nothing to say to Grantville. He doesn't live here, doesn't pay taxes. We take no federal dollars, no state dollars, as I've said in the last video. And he disrupts, you know, I had the video of his last one disrupting this and the other, again, and I just want to make sure everybody understands, in my world in Grantville, he is like a piece of shit on the bottom of my shoe. I scrape it off.
We have been reporting and exposing the municipality of Grantville, Georgia for some time now. Since Mayor Richard Proctor took office in Grantville, accountability appears to have been flushed down the drain. From city council meetings, to being issued a citation and threatened with arrest, to Facebook comments not being on his mayor's Facebook page any longer, to include the mayor being on a live stream video with a convicted felon and also accused of stolen valor, Michael Kaiser. On July 22, 2025, federal judge Lee Martin May, a United States District Judge, grants defendants Proctor & Nor's summary judgment, and the case is dismissed. The plaintiff will get nothing. The defendants' attorneys in the case were Tracy Glanton and Shannon Smith. They represented the mayor and the police officer in this suit. In the order it stated that, quote, plaintiff was filming inside Grantville City Hall. He did not have a permit from the city to do so, end quote. The legal standard is that the court shall grant summary judgment if the movement shows that there is no genuine dispute as to any material fact and the movement is entitled to summary judgment as a matter of law. Therefore, the conclusion is that the court grants defendants motion for summary judgment and the case is dismissed, and the clerk is directed to close the case. GT will address very soon what the next step is in exposing the city of Grantville, Georgia is. Until next time, GT, go Colt.